If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on the Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is, for example, you can go to the Control Center or Quick Settings, and over here you should be able to find the Quick Share button. We can tap on it in order to open the Quick Share, and of course we have two options. We have Receive and Send. So in this case, if you want to send the data to someone, if you want to send some files, we can go to Send over here, and we can choose all files that you wish to transfer. Over here in the upper left corner, we can tap on these three lines in order to find different categories that you can go through, and you can easily select whatever you want to transfer. So let's say I'm gonna choose these three files. There we go. And then you should be able to find other devices that you can send to. So once you find, these are your devices, of course, but there are also nearby devices that you can look for. So as long as there is another device and it is, if the visibility of that device is set to, for example, everyone, then you should be able to easily spot it over here. You can also use a QR code as well, if that's just easier. And besides that, instead of going to Quick Settings, you can also open, for example, the Google's Files app, the file manager that we have over here. And as you can see at the bottom, we can also find this Quick Share icon. So we can tap over here in order to also open it quite easily. Or you can go through these categories and you can choose whatever you want to transfer. So let's say I'm gonna once again select some files. And we can just use the Share button at the top, and you should be able to find Quick Share, so your files will be immediately selected. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.